Hi, today we're going to make a cheap and easy lunch, probably some ingredients that you've got in your cupboard. So today's lunch is Cowboy Munch. So the ingredients that we need for Cowboy Munch is 1 onion sliced, 5 small potatoes chopped into bite-sized chunks. You can use any potato. These were leftovers from last night's dinner. 4 sausages, and again these were leftovers for last night's dinner. A tin of beans, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and some oil for frying the onions. Okay, so we'll put in our sliced onion and we're going to fry that up. Okay, so that's the onion kind of starting to brown a bit. There's still some oil left in the pan, so I would chuck my potatoes in, which doesn't matter if they get broken up, or you can use new potatoes with skins on, or you could just use normal potatoes. Just kind of cover them slightly with the oil. And then I'll put in the sausages. Everything's pre-cooked, so it makes things so much easier. Really quick and easy. Leftovers or something you didn't eat for breakfast, something like that. You can add your own salt and pepper. So I'm just going to add some salt and some pepper. Now it's all starting to crisp up a little bit now. And when your potatoes get a little bit of colour on them and your onions are nicely cooked, you can add in your tin of beans. You can lower the heat at this point as well. That's a whole tin of beans. Just mix it all round. And the last step is to add the ketchup. Any kind of ketchup will do. Doesn't need to be brand ketchup. And the barbecue sauce, that just gives it a nice tang. And just mix it all together. So that's me finished the dish now, so I'm just going to serve it up. This is us, completed the dish, ready to eat.